Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, as I promised, I am going to review now, not give you a first look, but I'm going to review the Ringke Fusion X in camo black and also just the black one for y'all. I did a first look a couple days ago, but now I have the phone, the real phone, in my possessions, so I want to give y'all a full review on these cases. As I said before, Ringke has become one of my favorite case makers. I have used Ringke for years now, and I just love the Fusion X design on these cases. So I usually have a Ringke case on there, and I can swap them out anytime. But like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip action? Can you wireless charge? Is it easy to get the pen out? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Again, I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending this case out to me for a review. This is the yellow titanium phone. So if you have that phone, you will know exactly how your phones will look in this cases here. Ringke was nice enough to give me 15% off the cases also, so I will have that code in the description, so look down below and you will see that there. But again, the packaging is the same. Like I said before, I love their packaging because right after the first video, I put it right back in there and now I'm using it again. And I just love the packaging. Live a better day. What a better message than that? Just live a better day. Just live a better day. Every day, make every day count. So here it is. This is the camo black. I think this is going to look good with the yellow. It probably look good with blue or even black phone. But look, oh my goodness. My goodness, oh, that is just beautiful. Look at the camera cutouts. Like, that didn't change. The camera cutout is great. You get the same lip action from the top and the bottom. You have that same grip as I mentioned, so that gives you the grip that you look for because this phone is slippery. The power button, it works amazing. It's easy to grab, easy to get to. Also, it is ridged, so as you can tell, it has the ridge there. The volume rockers are easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom, as you can tell there, nice and easy. Everything lines up at the top too. I love the cutouts. I love how they made it precise with the cutouts. So if you lay it down, the pen is easy to get out. No problem there. So I love that too. The overall fit on the real phone, it is nice and snug. Not bad at all, especially on the sides too. And then the overall fit, like, man, that takes some work, but not too hard. So it's like perfect. Again, I love to say this in all my videos. If you're going to drop your phone and with a case on it, you don't want your phone just to pop out the case and hit the cement. When you test this out, you can see how good it fits. It's not going to do that. I love the grip too on here. One thing too, it's not a bulky case. It doesn't make the phone weigh extra pounds. This is, yeah, I mean, it's a great looking case. You have the corner protections on each corner there. So again, if you're dropping your phone, you don't have to worry about it. This is the Fusion X in camo black. Let me try out the other one and see how good this one will show off the beauty. Like I said, it takes some work. But the Fusion, the camo one, here's the, I'm about to put it on the wrong way. But look, this one shows off the beauty. Now you will see more fingerprints on here, but it does show off the beauty of your phone. I love that yellow and black. I just love it. So you have the same pen design down there, the same corner protection. You get the same lip action, the same cutouts. But again, which one was your favorite? Do you like the black one or are you more of a camo one? I just love this look. I will probably be rocking with this Ringke Fusion X one for a while. Because it doesn't show off the fingerprints, and the black and gold just look good. Or black and yellow looks really good. If you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. Look for the code for the discount. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.